So I recently bought a set of wings for my Ducati Streetfighter V2, and if you're wondering about the sketchy packaging, then it's because I bought them secondhand from a guy in Switzerland, cause I am going to give my Streetfighter a complete paint job in very near future, including the winglets. So why invest in brand new ones? And for some reason he didn't send the bolts that comes with the kit, so I had to order some online. So besides the brutal look it gives a bike, especially the Streetfighter that is actually born with them originally, then they have a very specific and important task to do: creating downforce. And is downforce important? If you're only using your bike to commute with, then probably not. But if you just like the look, then I'm not judging you, unless you glued a pair onto a bike where it wasn't intentionally placed to begin with. But if you like me are doing frequently track days, then the 28 kilos of extra downforce I get with these winglets is converted to a lot of benefits for my riding. You're only doing it for the looks. It's just a gimmick. Let me explain. See, in 2015, Ducati was the first manufacturer to introduce winglets on their bikes. But after a short period of time and after all the manufacturers followed up and created their own wings for their bikes, they were simply banned by the FIM due to the winglets not being an integrated part of the bodywork, but also due to safety procedures. But fast forward to 2018, the ban was removed and the winglets was now an integrated part of the bodywork, and the rest is history. So what the wings are actually creating is an aerodynamic vertical load on the front wheel, which makes the acceleration less complex to handle, and therefore the throttle can be opened earlier out of a corner. But the bike remains glued to the asphalt, and another huge benefit is that it's making your bike much more stable at high speed. There's no doubt in that scientifically, the winglet has its purpose. This bike, the Streetfighter V2, comes in at a weight at 178 kilos. And with this amount of power, the front wheel could need a little extra help staying in the asphalt. But doesn't it have wheelie control? Of course. But it doesn't look as good as the wings does.